Hello children, today we are going to start a new chapter which name is area. Now the question is, what is area? Take any figure. It occupies some space on the book, on ground, on land, like that. Suppose I took this figure, I am drawing outline of this figure. So it takes some space on the book. This space, whatever space it occupies, that is nothing but area of this figure. Are you getting my point? So what is area? The space occupied or covered by a given figure is called its area. Like if you take any shape of object, like I took one cap. If I keep this cap here and if I draw outline, it taking some space on my book. See, I am drawing outline. How much space it occupying? This is nothing but area of this figure. Clear children? So area is nothing but the space occupied or covered by a given figure. Clear? So now here I have drawn some figures. This is one figure. This is 4 figures I have drawn. One is square. It is nothing but square. And it is rectangle. Both are 4-sided figures. In square, all sides are equal. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Longer side is called length and the shortest side is called breadth. Clear? And one circle and one triangle. It occupies some space on the plane area or on the book, on the table, on the board. That particular space is called area of the given figure. Clear children? Now next point is area of a figure measured in square units. Units is nothing but children, centimeter, meter, kilometer, millimeter, whatever we say, that is nothing but unit. So area always we measure in square units, or shortly we can write SQ. Square is nothing but SQ units. Like suppose we are going to find area of this figure square. So whatever area we'll get, suppose area of this square is 2. So we say that 2 square units. If units are centimeter, we'll write square centimeter. If units are meter, we'll write square meter. Similarly, rectangle, circle and triangle also we will find in the same way. Now here see area of a square. Formula are there children. Area of square is nothing but side into side. Like I said, square have in square all sides are equal. This is one side, this is one side, this is fourth side. All sides are equal. So if we multiply this side and this side, that is nothing but area of this square. Side into side, square units. Units can be anything, as I said, centimeter, meter, kilometer, millimeter, liter, anything you can say. Similarly, area of rectangle, see, this is length and this is breadth. So area of rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. Area we measure in square units, that's why I wrote square units. So area of square is side into side square units. Area of rectangle is length into breadth square units. Clear children? What is area and formula of area? Area of square formula and area of rectangle formula. Very, very important children. Now let's see how to find, without formula, how to find the area of the given figure. That is nothing but finding area by counting the squares. Here one figure I have drawn. In that each three boxes I have drawn and each box is equal. That is nothing but one square. This side and this side are equal. So how many squares I have drawn in this? Count it. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 squares I have drawn. So this figure area is 9 square units. Clear children? This is called area by counting squares. Without giving the measurements, we can count how many squares are there in the given figure. Then we can find. Similarly, see another figure. How many squares are there in this figure? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So area of this figure is 12 square units. Clear children? How to find the area? By counting the squares. If I give another figure and in that if I draw each square equals each box in equal measurement. Now we need to find the area, means we need to count the squares. How many squares are there in this figure? Area of this figure is that much only. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So total area is 24 square units. Clear children? Now today your homework is write and learn the given points. Here some points we discuss. You need to learn that points and you need to write and draw these figures also carefully by taking scale. Not for circle. Circle you have to draw by taking a bangle of your mother, or with coin you can draw the circle. Square, rectangle and triangle by using scale you draw and learn the formula. Area of square formula, area of rectangle formula, and take some figures with your own and draw the square boxes in that and find the area of those figures by counting the squares. Clear children?